If you haven't seen a plastic welder, that's what this is. I got it from Harbor Freight. So, and it works pretty good. I also have these plastic welding rods when I need to add some plastic to the weld. But basically, you just plug in and you turn it on and let it set and heat up for a little bit. And I'm going to use an extension cord. I don't know if it says to do that or not to, but I've done it before, so I'm going to do that. Basically, you just plug it in, then put it on here, and it's not super loud. It's basically just a fan that you hear blowing the air, and it's got, I guess, heat elements in there that heat the air up. But just set it down and let it warm up while you get everything ready. Now, to be honest, I have done some welding with this tab already. You can see it's not the perfect flat surface anymore, but it should work to get it welded on there. And I'll just put it on here like this, and we'll get to welding. Okay, now to get started, this does not get as hot as when you're welding with metal, so I can set it there where I'm going to want it, and go ahead and start moving the welder down on it, and that starts getting the plastic melted on. Just wanting to do it enough to get it to stay in place. For this, I'm going to add a little bit of plastic to it. Got it. Now it's just a matter of letting the whole thing cool down and cure, and it should be on there pretty solid. If I was a professional at this, or I knew more what I was doing, I probably wouldn't have melted as much of that as I did. But I was really concerned with getting everything melted together as good as possible there, because I think I got the top done pretty well. So this just adds a lot of structural rigidity and strength to the tab. So we'll let it kind of cool off and cure a little bit, then we'll see about putting it all together. I let it cure for quite a while, and as you can see, I think that all of my tabs are going to work okay. So I know this is up because I know that that's where that broken piece is. And it's really not that noticeable since it's sticking up, because it's right underneath. Because it's right underneath there, so you can't even be seen. But let's see what we got here. See how well we got stuff lined up. think it's lined up pretty good. Like that. All right. And it seems to be tightening up pretty good. Okay, screw's not quite big enough, but I will get these three tightened up. Okay, and I know they line up pretty good, so let's finish putting the headlight buckets in. Now let's get the three screws that hold the light buckets themselves in, or the covers. And there it is. The finished grill assembly has the projector, LED halo headlights. The grill itself is fixed. All the tabs have been replaced on it, and it's all put together. So I think that is gonna add a lot for the car. And I will be back with another video soon, hopefully.